Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. Please, if you're finding any value in these videos, give me a like there, subscribe for more of this, and follow with me for today's analysis. Today's Wednesday, so usually where I start to look for midweek reversals to see if it applies anywhere. Dow Jones did the reset, began the uptrend again, a new level, so I've had one level of rise there. I'm expecting one or two more levels of rise, but just one for today. I'm not counting this as a level of rise, although that move I kind of did anticipate moved quite nicely, but it's not a complete level, so I want to see price come back down here, maybe give me a stop hunt low, and then we take them again for another long. Nothing in terms of yesterday's low. Yeah, it's quite far, but price could still get there, so I want to take a stop hunt low there. Reversal pattern will be ideal, and then we take it up there for another two levels. I could also take a continuation pattern at yesterday's high. It's nice and close to Asian range, so no issues there. We'll just monitor price. My initial price alert will be here, but I also have one there. And then moving along to Nasdaq. Nasdaq gave me, I would say, two levels of drop. The jury's still out on this one, to be honest. I might still look at this as one level of drop. Time will tell. Maybe today it'll be clearer, or tomorrow. So I'm not quite sure, to be completely honest, but as things stand, I am counting two levels of drop. Excuse me. And then this could be that level 2 reversal to the Mayo that happens quite often. But if we do look at where price reversed to begin the upward movement, it could signal that this is a new cycle and we're actually in an uptrend. This could be level 1 and then level 2, but I'm still going to pay attention. I'm not quite sure. I'm not really sold on that. I still want to see them complete this cycle, or at least come back down here then to make the second leg, so that I can lock it in as a peak formation. So for now, I'm not actually looking to take any positions on Nasdaq. I'm expecting short, but nothing clear. I'm just going to monitor price there. I'll keep looking until it makes a little bit more sense. The pound, I still expect them to give us one more level of rise. They kind of reversed from my point of interest there. Although they spent the whole day there yesterday, they still kind of did move away from it. So I'm hoping for another leg. Maybe if they come down here again to yesterday's low, give us a second leg, a multi-day leg, W, then we know. In fact, 3 days, because they also came here on Monday. So if they come back here one more time, then we know for sure we're taking them. It's lights out. Based on where price is right now, it's more likely to be a continuation, but I'm still gonna have my alert there for the stop hunt trade, see if we can't get that. But I'm also gonna be looking at last month's high for a clear continuation pattern. EURUSD looks pretty good. I mean, it's not often you see an M that is this clear after so many clear levels. It's picture perfect. Nice consolidation. They didn't move yesterday. I'm expecting them to give us a stop hunt high drop, just like yesterday. You can see the M occurred there, if you recall, or you can check from yesterday's video. This was actually very close to the ADR. It was about 20 pips maybe. So it was quite close to the ADR, but I was still able to take the trade there. It was quite clear. So even with today's trade, if they do make it all the way to yesterday's high, we might have a trading opportunity there. Not gonna force anything, but if it's quite clear, if it's a nice pin type of setup, and you can see they never actually went there yesterday, so there might be something there. If they come there and pin it slightly and then reverse, I'll definitely take it short. I'm also looking at a continuation pattern on the euro. Definitely be able to take it short if they come down to yesterday's low and give me some clear short signals. So I'll be monitoring that for a trade, as well as yesterday's high. But I'm definitely expecting them to go down from where they are, at least. AUDUSD, two clear levels. Two clear levels with their corresponding consolidation. No issues there. Looking to short it for one more level. I don't think they'll go back to the Mayo because they're still quite close to it, so it's not an issue. But yeah, definitely want to see one more level of drop before price reverses. I would prefer a stop hunt trade there. However, no such options. As you can see, the ADR low or high is too close to yesterday's high. Can't really take any position there. And when I look at continuations, yesterday's low is also in the middle of Asian session, so it doesn't really offer much opportunity in terms of taking it short. So another one that I won't be trading, I'll just be looking at it. The story of AUD, isn't it? I can't tell you which month it is when I last got a trade here, but they do follow levels quite swiftly, so maybe I'll start looking into taking trades during Asian session actually, or using limit orders, who knows. I'll do some back testing and see if that's viable, but otherwise nothing seems tradable for me here. I'll pretty much check in with them tomorrow. USDCAD still in their range, so nothing for me to see there. USDCAD didn't really move yesterday. Yeah, they really didn't move yesterday. I'm expecting the uptrend on USDCAD. Like I said, this for me was the completion of the downtrend, and I expect them to have reversed now and begin the uptrend. I don't think this will be a half a Batman type of peak formation, but of course I can't see into the future, so I'll react to what price does, because this, I guess this could end up being a peak formation if price does stop hunt low rise from where they are right now. So I'm looking at them to come down here or even here actually. Nonetheless, I'm expecting an uptrend on the dollar Swiss franc. So what I'll be monitoring today is a stop hunt low rise at last week's low. If the setup is clear, I'll definitely take it long there. I'm expecting two more levels at least of rise, so I'll definitely take it long if this opportunity presents here. Nothing for continuation trade, so well, yeah, no, that's too far. I'm not taking continuation all the way up there. So yeah, nothing for continuation. I'll just be monitoring a stop hunt low rise there. And finally, the S&P 500. Just like Nasdaq, quite confusing. They pulled price back for one level of drop and consolidated, and then they went all the way up again. So I'm still actually kind of expecting short here. Maybe they come up to the peak formation again for another leg, but I don't expect that. If they were to come there, it's more likely that this was actually a reset and we're looking at an uptrend. So it's not quite clear what they're gonna do there. I'm still looking at a downtrend unless otherwise proven, so I'll be open to a stop hunt high drop there at last month's high. It'll take a high probability setup to get my attention because I still think S&P 500 could be going long in the long term. Let's look at our 4-hour to see there. Yeah, in the long term I definitely think they're still going long for sure. So we'll just have a look at this. I'm still expecting them to go short there for the week, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, as you can even hear from me, it's not quite clear what they'll be doing. But I'm expecting short. Nothing short of a high probability setup though would be of significance to me. If I get it a nice pin slightly above this, I'll definitely take it short. And then I won't be taking it won't be a large position. I'll be looking to get in and out from the impulse if that's the case, and then let price do its thing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you. If you have tuned in thus far, please join us in the description. There's a link for a Telegram channel. Please join us in there for a discussion. Let's talk about what we're looking at for the market for the day in general, anything to do with BTMM, even if it's outside of that scope. But as traders, we're just growing the community there, sharing our setups, what is relevant to us. We've even got some fundamentals that could make a difference in terms of price. So please join us in there. Let's have a discussion. Share your setups, share your ideas, and help each other gain some value from all our experiences. So until tomorrow's video, please trade safely, trade profitably, and have a prosperous day.